Error code E23 on a Siemens washing machine indicates that there is water in the appliance's base. This issue can be caused by several factors, including leakage from the door, detergent drawer, or filter area, as well as an unleveled appliance. To fix error code E23, it is essential to assess the areas prone to leakage. Start by ensuring the appliance door is tightly shut before running any cycle. And check the door seal for any buildup, removing it if present. Additionally, check the water supply pressure to the appliance, as high pressure can cause leakage in the detergent drawer. To address this, unmount the detergent drawer and clean it to remove any buildups that may cause dampness. It is also crucial to clear the water supply nozzles of any blockages that may prevent water flow and cause leakage. Furthermore, ensure the drain filter does not have blockages. The filter cap is tightly screwed, and the drain hose is securely installed. Leveling the appliance is also vital, as tilting can cause spillages. This can be achieved by adjusting the leveling legs with the guide of a spirit level. If error code E23 persists after implementing these fixes, it is recommended to contact a qualified technician for further assistance.